During the COVID-19 pandemic, fewer Americans had bad credit. Why did this happen? People spent more time paying off debt than accruing it. According to market reports, subprime consumers also reduced their total average debt by 5% between Q1 2020 and Q1 2021, reducing their outstanding balances across all accounts from $55,135 to $52,628. To reach your credit goals, it is essential to join a credit report monitoring service, as your credit status can change frequently. Remember, for more tips on how to improve the quality of your life, visit www.creditworthiness.org. Consumers' credit scores have improved overall since the pandemic began. How can you make the most of the current, favorable credit environment? You will be able to borrow more money at better rates if you work toward your credit goals. Your credit score determines whether you get to live in your dream apartment, what cell phone plan you are eligible for, and even what interest rate you pay on loans. Tips to work toward your credit goals. Take steps to keep your credit score on the rise. A consumer's credit can be severely negatively affected by late payments, bankruptcies, and collection accounts, which stay on his or her credit report for up to 7 years. These 3 tips can keep you on track. Pay your balance on time, every time, or as close as possible. Keep your balance manageable. You shouldn't max out a credit card with a limit of $10,000. Constantly review your credit report. Is your personal information on the dark web? Make sure your identity isn't at risk.